Hi my sweet people, today I am back with another video on making pancakes. So this is a recipe made from scratch. Usually I hate doing recipes from the box, so this is something that I found and really love. So if you want to know more on how I actually make this, then just keep on watching. You just need a few things. You'll need flour, you'll need milk, you'll need some sugar, vanilla essence, baking powder, salt, butter, and an egg. You need a mixing bowl to add in the dry ingredients first. So just add in the flour, add in some baking powder and add some sugar. Then you can add in a pinch of salt and just mix it. You can add in your vanilla essence. After which you can add in the egg, and then you can just mix it. Lastly, you can add in the milk. Just ensure that the ingredients are all well combined so that you can make a fluffy and nice batter, and the pancakes come out nice and fluffy. So you just need to butter the pan, and then you can start frying the pancakes. Based on this size of the batter, it actually will make around 8 to 9 medium size pancakes. So actually it depends on how big or small you're making the pancakes. So I actually made around 8 to 9 if I'm not wrong. And the pancakes really came out really fluffy and nice. I was actually kind of doubtful at first, because I mean definitely it's not easy to achieve those pancakes that you can actually sit at a restaurant and eat, but this was actually really similar and really good to eat. The pancakes came out really fluffy and really good, so I'm sure you will definitely love this if you're gonna make it. Trust me, you should make it and you will definitely not touch those box pancakes ever again, because this is really good. And I'm not sure about everyone else, but for me, I never really want to make pancakes at home because I hate those box mix, like premix boxes. I really hate it because it comes out so flat and so thin and like flavorless. So this is really good, and definitely I would recommend everyone to try this if you love pancakes as much as I do. Definitely you can eat this for whenever you want. So actually this batter, I kept it over 2 days and it was still good to eat on the second or third day. Actually, I kept it in like a store, like an airtight container. I actually made normal pancakes and chocolate chip pancakes, so you can of course add in any kind of fillings you want. Up to you. You can add in chocolate chips or other stuff if you prefer. Definitely I tried adding Nutella, but of course you need to cover it with additional pancake batter because it will definitely stick to the pan. So that I prefer to just make normal pancakes and just add Nutella on top for easier. It's so much easier than frying it because it can get messy. I cannot tell you how much I really love this recipe. I'm definitely gonna do this again and again since I can definitely keep the batter for maybe 1 to 2 or 3 days. And I'm just adding some optional. This is definitely optional. So if you want to add on butter and maple syrups or any kind of berries or additional chocolate chips, so it's definitely up to you. I didn't add this in the required ingredients. This is just optional. So if you want to, definitely you can, or add in any kind of other ingredients like Nutella or any kind of other spreads that you want. I've never understood how people stack the pancakes like this and eat it because I usually just eat it one by one. So when I did it like this and cut it like a cake and tried it, I definitely fell in love with it as well. So now I understand why people do that. So yeah, definitely you should try if you don't. Like I normally just eat pancakes one by one and I normally don't stack it like this. So it was really kind of a new experience for me and I definitely loved it. So if you want to try this recipe out, and if you loved it, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet. baby.